Hello, everybody, and welcome to our home buying seminar. My name is Dr. Renelda Bab Brown. I am a credit specialist franchised with Financial Educational Services, and I'm here giving you the credit component. Here's our reality today. About 43 million people have a 599 credit score or less. Mind you, the highest is 850. More than half of Americans don't even know their credit score. Average debt is over 225,000, with many having less than 500 in savings. Nearly two-thirds of Americans cannot pass a financial literacy test. Why is this important? Because you want to buy a home. So you want to make sure that you're educated in all areas. So how is your FICO score calculated? First of all, 35% goes into your payment history. Do you have on-time payments versus delinquencies? 30% is the capacity and amount owed, your percentage of credit limits available. If you are over 30% on your credit cards, this is a major hit to your credit score. 15% goes into the length of credit. How long have you had your accounts? 10% are the new inquiries and new accounts opened. 10% is also for the types of credit used. Is it installment loans versus revolving? Credit is infused in your life. Now think about what can you do that does not check your credit. Today, your credit is like a vital sign. It is being monitored at all times. It can impact insurance premiums and interest rates. You can be denied the ability to rent, purchase, get a credit card, or even employment. Over the course of your lifetime, a less than excellent credit rating could cost you over $200,000 and more. How credit report errors can hurt your credit. So you always want to check your credit score, check your credit report. You could do that free once a year. But the credit errors on your report could cause major potential point loss. Incorrect balances, you see 45 points. Incorrect credit limits could be 45 points hit to your credit score. Late payments, 110 points. Collection items, 160. Bankruptcy, 240 points. If you have errors on your credit report, they are not going to fall off by itself. Here are some 5 common myths about your credit. Myth number 1. Credit agencies are empowered with some kind of governmental authority. Do you think this is true or false? Credit agencies have no legal authority at all. They are simply private companies who are in the business of selling credit information. They are not bureaus. TransUnion is owned by Goldman Sachs. Experian is owned by a company in Dublin, Ireland. So this is a company that's not even in America, but is controlling a lot of things that is happening here. Myth number 2. The credit agencies are required by law to keep derogatory items on your credit report for 7 to 10 years. There is no law that the credit agencies have to report anything on you at all. Credit agencies are required by law to automatically remove all derogatory items older than 7 years, or in the case of a bankruptcy, 10 years. Myth number 3. It is impossible to get a bankruptcy off. Bankruptcies come off just like any derogatory item that is incorrectly reported, obsolete, erroneous, misleading, incomplete, or that cannot be verified. Remember, the nature of the item has nothing to do with its removal under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Myth number 4. The information on your credit report cannot be changed. The opposite is true under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Both the federal and various state laws require that items be removed if they are not 100% accurate or cannot be verified in a timely manner. So that means incorrect spellings of your name, incorrect amounts owed. You don't know the company. That's why it's very important to make sure you are monitoring your credit score at all times. Myth number 5, it is illegal or immoral to have the information on your credit report altered or removed. Not only is it not illegal or immoral, but it is what the Fair Credit Reporting Act is all about. It was enacted by Congress for the very purpose of protecting consumers from the intrusion of the credit agencies into our lives. The Fair Credit Reporting Act came about in 1971. It gives us consumers the right to dispute or investigate any item on our credit report that is inaccurate, erroneous, and obsolete items, such as late payments, charge-offs, foreclosures, bankruptcies, tax liens, collections, short sales, medical bills, and many other items can be removed from your credit file or be updated to say paid as agreed. We partnered up with United Credit Education Services. They've been around for 15 years, close to 1 million items deleted from people's credit reports. They are debt free, 10 thousands of satisfied customers, A rating with the Better Business Bureau, and accredited. You also have a portal to monitor your results. It's important to leverage your legal rights to investigate, dispute, and challenge negative items on your credit report. And this is an example of how that portal will look, where you would have a dashboard, you would have your dispute letters, everything that you need, credit education, debt and collection letters, things for students, all the way to seniors, customer support from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. just to help you to make sure that you are establishing the perfect and excellent credit score. Here's a comparison table. We are in the gold, FES Financial Education Services, the Protection Plan membership, and you will see the competitors Lexington Law, Sky Blue, Credit Repair, and Credit Saints. Under the FES Protection Plan, as you can see, not only will you get your credit repaired and restored, but these are the services that come with it all. You're able to complete your will, trust, and power of attorney. That's for free. You have 24/7 credit monitoring. You have identity theft protection. And we have Debt Zero, debt elimination, to help you pay down your debts. And there's also an income opportunity that we'll discuss at a later time. But all of these services are offered to you while you're repairing your score, and there is no additional fees for these services, where our competitors are missing big components that cost thousands of dollars, and they charge for more of these services with the stars. So it's important for you to do your homework. To be under the protection plan membership right here, where you're getting your credit repaired, it is a one-time $99 activation fee and $8.89 per month monthly service fee. $188 to start. After 30 days, it's $89 per month. There's no contracts. Results may vary, but typically clients see results within 4 to 6 months. So you want to purchase a home, it is important for you to get started and do this early because you still have time to be a homeowner in 2019. You also can increase your score with our other valuable services offered. If you are renting, that is your maybe your largest monthly expense is your rent payments. So you can leverage your rent with Credit My Rent, which is a program that allows you to put up to 2 years of past rental history to your credit score. That gives your TransUnion credit score a boost. In addition, we also have the secured credit card that does not pull your credit. So you are approved instantly. You can get the maximum of 2 cards minimum of $200 to put down. So I encourage my clients, if they're trying to build credit or increase their credit score, they might be interested in getting a secured card and using it for gas or a gym membership, something that you're not going to exceed over 30%, and you have a great rapport of paying it on time. Credit is a game that you didn't know you were playing, but don't worry, we are here to help you. The credit score hits us in almost every area of our finances, so I wanted us to see two examples of Henry and Dolores. Mortgage one. The house is $325,000. Henry has a 750 credit score. Dolores has a 630. Hers is fair. His is his is great, right? 850 would be excellent. But there's a big difference between the interest rate. He is at 5.75 and she's at 7.625. Their monthly payments, drastic difference, and the lifetime payment. Look at the penalty that Dolores pays. $145,335, right? That she paid over because of her credit score. Here's mortgage number two at a home that is $475,000. Henry, he's at 750. Dolores, 630. Here's the interest rates. Same interest rates as above. Look at the payment. Monthly payment, $2,629 if we round it, and she's paying $3,352. Lifetime of the payment penalty, lifetime payment. She's at $1 million, right? He's under. She's paying $260,255 over because of her credit score. So this is a true example of how your credit score hits you in your finances. You're paying much more over time. And then think about renting over time. If you are paying $1,000 a month right now renting and you're there for 20, 30 years, you have paid this amount or more. Credit scores impact three areas on the mortgage payment. First of all, PMI, private mortgage insurance, is risk-based, and the lower your score, you may be forced to pay PMI. PITI, principal and interest, taxes and insurance, the interest is based on your credit score. The homeowner's insurance premium is based on the credit score. Everything is based on your credit. To get a credit card, to rent get a vehicle, get a everything is based on your credit score. So the higher your score, you're able to leverage and also pay less, and in the end you're saving more. Once again, I want to show you our comparison table. Financial education services. Not only are you getting your credit restored, but you are able to get a will, trust, power of attorney, credit monitoring 24/7, identity theft protection while you're repairing your credit. You are making sure that we have privacy armor to protect your identity from hackers, and debt elimination. These are the services that are offered to you for $89 a month. Once again, my name is Dr. Renelda Babb Brown. I'm a credit specialist with NEB Solution, franchised through Financial Educational Services. For more information about me and all the services that I can help you with, you can reach me at www.reneldababb.com. You could also call me or text consultation if you want to have a free consultation so we can sit down and write down a plan for you to get into your new home. 704-231-0852. And I am excited to be working with you all. You are in great hands.